Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Adding plugins to a Shopify theme with HTML. Our automatic install wizard lets you easily add POWR plugins to select pages, posts, and products on your website. However, if you wish to manually install POWR to a section that is not accessible through automatic install, you can copy and paste your plugin's unique code into the Shopify theme directly. Follow these steps. Open your Shopify admin. Navigate to Sales Channels and select Online Store. Click on Themes. Locate the Actions dropdown on the page and select Edit Code. Open the appropriate HTML file. Paste the plugin's code into your desired location. Click Save. Click Preview to see your plugin on your site. Popular places to add plugins in themes. The places you can add a plugin in your Shopify theme are practically unlimited and vary slightly from one theme to another. Here are some of the most popular. Homepage. To add a plugin to a custom location on your Shopify store's homepage, find the index, liquid file. This page is typically under the templates folder of your HTML files. Once you locate the index, liquid page, paste your plugin's HTML code into the file and save the file. Page footer. To add a plugin to the footer of every page, for example, to install social media icons, find the theme, liquid file. Scroll down through the file to find the begin footer note. Paste the plugin's HTML code below the note. You can move the plugin HTML code further down in the file to move the plugin further down the footer. Note, this option is also available via the automatic install wizard by selecting all pages and selecting the bottom position as the install location. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel to be notified of our latest updates.